The word Lundayeh comes from two different words, Lund pupil, Dayeh upstream. So the meaning of Lundayeh is people from the upstream region. In Sabah, most Lundayehs live in highland areas such as Long Pasir and Long Mio. There are also Lundayeh communities that live in lowlands such as in Keningau and Tenom. They are also known as Lundbawang in Sarawak and live mostly in Limbang and Lawas area. They can be found in Kalimantan, Indonesia, which is in Nunukan and Malinau regencies. A small number also live in Brunei's Temburong district. The Lundayehs are believed to have originated from East Kalimantan and are Sweden agriculturalists and hunter-gatherers. Hence, their relationship with the environment is a reflection of both their livelihood and indigeneity. One of their current locations in the village of Long Pasir is a highland area situated at an altitude of 1,000 meters within the Sipitang district in Sabah. The word Long Pasir, spelled Long Pasir in Lundayeh language, refers to the confluence of the Sia and Padas rivers. This village is considered one of the last remaining heartlands of the Lundayehs in Sabah due to its remoteness and relative isolation from the state-run administrative centers such as those located in the coastal township of Sipitang and the city of Kota Kinabalu. The current estimated population of Long Pasir is 400. The occupants of Long Pasir are mainly Christian. There are also a small number of Muslims who are stationed in the village as Army Border Scouts and school teachers. The Lundayeh community used to live in communal longhouses, usually near river basins. Today, they have abandoned this style of living for individual family households. These individual households are located in the areas of the former longhouse communities. The Lundayehs are very hospitable people. Traditionally, they used the rivers as their highways. They planted hill rice and tapioca and hunted and fished for a living. The men were skilled hunters, used blowpipes, spears, and hunting dogs. Today, cultivating wet and hill paddy is their main occupation. There are a lot of different traditional foods among the Lundayeh community. One of them is lubalaya, which is soft rice. It uses banana leaves or daun itip, which is commonly used to wrap the soft rice. Kulupis also is one of the traditional food of the Lundayeh community. Kulupis is symbolic of this ethnic minority culture, especially at weddings and Idul Fitri festivals. It is food based on glutinous rice and coconut milk that is wrapped by using nurik leaves. Other than that, one of the traditional foods of the Lundayeh community is a bitter. Since Lundayeh community mostly live in highland area with low temperatures, they will consume bitter to keep the body warm. Bitter is a type of food that is cooked like a porridge and mixed with vegetables such as cassava leaves, mushrooms, but the most commonly used ingredients is tengayan leaves. The bitter that is mixed with tengayan leaf is called tengayan bitter. The process of making tengayan bitter is same as making a bowl of porridge, but the main ingredient is tengayan leaves, where it is cooked to a soupy texture with Adan rice. Tengayan is a type of leaf that grows wild along the river, waterways, or cold and humid area, which make these leaves native to the highland of Long Pasir. Besides that, tengayan leaves can also be prepared as a beetroot or vegetable soup, since it has small oval leaves and soft stem like grass. The variety of rice that is used in tengayan bitter is Adan. Adan is a primary crop cultivated by the Lundayeh community as their main daily caloric supply and main economic source, because the rice can be sold at high price due to the variety, traditional status, and good taste. Adan rice is well known for its soft texture, fine and elongated grains, mild aroma, and splendid taste. In this research, tengayan bitter was innovated into a snack by using a twin drum dryer method. Twin drum dryer was used to dry the tengayan bitter, since it can dry very viscous foods such as paste and gelatinized or cooked starch, which cannot be easily dried by other methods. Other than that, high temperature of drum drying also enables the product to keep its unique properties such as taste, smell, and texture due to the short contact time on the drum dryer. The process of making tengayan snack are as follows. Bake all the ingredients such as tengayan leaves, Adan rice, and water according to the formulation. Wash the tengayan leaves and Adan rice with running water to remove dirt. Pour water into the pot and let it come to a boil. When the water boils, add the Adan rice and let it boil again. After boiling, add the tengayan leaves. Then mix and press tengayan leaves by using a wooden spoon, which is called koko by the Lundayeh community, until the mucus comes out. Continue to mix with a slow fire until it changes color to yellowish and becomes a ball of bitter. Then dry the tengayan bitter by using a twin drum drying method at 120 degrees Celsius with 0.03 rpm per minute. Dry tengayan bitter will fall by itself from the twin drum dryer. Then, the tengayan bitter that has been dried is packed as tengayan snack. One pack of tengayan snack contains 60 grams of serving size. The purpose of this innovation is to make tengayan bitter to not only be eaten as porridge, but also to be consumed as a snack. During this research, we found out that many non-Lundayeh Sabahans did not know about tengayan bitter. We carried out a survey to identify this issue.
Tengayan bitter? Tidak pernah saya dengar tengayan bitter.
Because of that, this innovation also aims to market this tengayan snack so that it can be known to all communities rather than just the Lundayehs. The innovative features of tengayan snack is tengayan bitter, which is usually eaten like a porridge and that can easily become stale, is innovated into a snack that has a longer shelf life. Other than that, tengayan snack also has an original flavor from tengayan leaves and Adan rice, since it does not contain any type of additives. Users can therefore add any type of seasoning such as sugar, salt, acid powder, or any powder that is liked by consumers to add flavor to the snack. But if they like the original taste, there is no need to add any flavors. Its crunchy texture is equally palatable. Tengayan snack can be eaten by everyone because it does not have any additives that can cause allergic, especially it is free from chemical additives. Tengayan snack has a potential to be commercialized since it has a low moisture content which can provide a longer shelf life to the product. The marketability of tengayan snack is also there since it will be the first snack of its kind based on tengayan and Adan, which is a unique combination and highlights one of the colorful characteristics of Sabahan food system. The approximate cost for one pack of tengayan snack is about Rm6 ringgit, which include all the costs such as raw material, design, packaging, and the transportation of the tengayan leaf and Adan rice from its natural setting. This is the Sabah Lundayeh Cultural Association, which has been a collaborator and point of contact throughout the course of undertaking this research. Thank you.